Hi guys, today we are going to see how we can create a FTP account in SiteGround and connect them using FileZilla. So I am currently logged into my SiteGround account. Now we are going to create the FTP account for this temporary domain. So let's get started. Just go to click the site and you will find the FTP accounts here. Just click the account and give the name. Myself, I'm adding my name, Nohman, and make sure to generate the password. Copy the password. Let me open the notepad and save them. So here, and so just click create. Yeah, the account has been created successfully. Now we need to get the FTP credentials. Just go to the action. Under the action there is a three kebab menu. Just click them, then you will find the option FTP credentials. Just click them. All the information will be pop up here. Just copy everything and go to the notepad. Just paste them. And now we are going to download the FileZilla. Just open the new tab and type FileZilla download. The first should be, you can click the first link and go to the downloads, and you can click the download and can install. I already installed the FileZilla, so let me open the FileZilla. Go to the site and site manager, add the new site, test FTP. Now we need the host. Open now, host name. Just copy the host name. Just add the port is 21 and use copy the username. Port is 21, username, and the password. Just click connect. Just wait for a few. Yeah, now we can be successfully connected to our site. Public HTML. Here our the site is. So let's try to upload a test file here. Just I will create a jump. Now it's connected successfully. Now we just try to upload an image. Just we will try to upload this car image to here. Just select and upload. Just yeah, it's successfully uploaded. Just refresh. Yeah, see the car image has been uploaded successfully. uh, if you want to download the file from the server to local, just click here and right click and just download. Yeah, because we already have the duplicate name, that's why it's asking overwrite. Just okay, overwrite. Yeah, it's downloaded successfully. Thank you.